Oh, that's a good one. Uh-oh, I'm hooked up on the back end.
Go get it.
Yeah. Oh, good Lord. All right, we're doubled up, y'all. What's happening, jigheads? Welcome back to the channel. You got it. I'm out on a boat tonight, chasing big flatheads. Stick around, see what happens. Set this one back here. I just opened my sandwich. Got light bothering you?
No. You're fine, buddy.
All right.
He's out playing. He sees these lights, he's gonna get excited.
There he is, running some drag on you.
Good fish. Good fish.
Out here tonight fishing with Brian Scallions, local flathead guy in the area. Hooked up on our first fish here tonight. It's a good one.
The ticker is going. If this don't get your adrenaline going, stay on the couch, okay? Here he comes. There's my float. Man, stay up underneath that boat, buddy, please. You ready?
Yep.
Oh,
that.
Here he comes. No. Here he comes. I'll bring him to you. Hold him. Oh. Get him back. Hang on, my fault.
That's all right.
Bring him back. I need to wheel down on him. Get him.
There he is. There he is.
That's my fault.
Nope.
Just leave him down there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Dude, that's a solid fish, bro.
That's 40. Look at the head on that.
Yeah, man.
Mercy. That's a 45. Maybe. Yeah.
Yep, that's a giant.
That's
Woo! All right.
maybe the best one of the year yet.
Golly, what do you need me to do?
I'm gonna drill him up.
Right.
You know what I mean?
Gotta stop and think for a second.
Yeah. Try to get this out of the way. Everything. Leave him in the net when I take the hook off. Tell you what, right now, hold this and I'm gonna catch this one back out.
What'd you do? Just look over and see that float was gone?
Seen it go under.
Did you?
I wish that was yours, man.
You're good, brother.
I wish that was yours.
You are good. Dang good fish, brother.
Thank you, brother. Okay. Are you videoing?
Huh?
Are you videoing?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we can. Well, no, I'm gonna bring him in out of the net because I got a tar the net.
Okay.
You know what I mean?
There he comes.
Solid 45.
Yeah, man. That's a freaking giant, y'all. You want a hand on the scale?
I might be able to get him. Let you read it. Yeah, I don't know. Both of us might have to put a hand on it. Right
Yeah.
here. Grab that side. 44. Beep, you sucker. 44. I'm good with it.
Oh, it'll beep. Come on. There it goes.
44.5.
44.56.
Oh, you're videoing. That's why he wanted it to be.
There you
I
go.
understand, yes.
Hopefully y'all can see that. 44.56. Woo!
Second bet, or my first bet, I had a 44 a couple weeks ago.
That is a freaking beauty. That's your best of the year?
Yeah. Just by pound.
Heck yeah, man. Golly.
For you one, Jake.
Hey, man. Night is still young, buddy.
You know it.
All right, that'll do, man.
You're rolling, ain't you?
Yeah, I'm rolling still.
We're gonna start this release video.
All right.
You want to grab that tail end and help me lift him over?
Yep.
Safer for him and me.
That's right.
It'll take him a minute. He's been out. I'm trying to pull away, but he ain't ready.
Yeah, maybe so.
Maybe. All right. I get him lined out so we can get it pretty. I'll just swing him away. Yes! There she goes. He was ready.
Yep.
Wow. Thank you, brother.
Heck yeah, man.
Your turn now.
That's
Come on,
right.
fishy.
Let's do it.
Jake's in need. Wow. Yeah, you see how I get shook up?
Yeah. I could see why. That was friggin' awesome. You need rods out the way?
Yeah, maybe better go grab that one. Might be in it already, I don't know. No, he's under it.
No, he's under it. Probably ought to take it. Grab that one instead here. Is he? Crazy, both of them came on float. He's giving you a run for your money
A
now.
little bit there. Whew, ticker's going.
Number 2 of the night, y'all. Unfortunately, Brian's got them both, not me.
You don't feel as big as that other one, but hell, it might be a big catfish too. I don't know. I don't doubt it though. Ready? He's gonna be up if he comes back this way. There he comes. Oh yeah, not bad.
Oh, that's a good one.
There you go. I'll turn him.
Uh-oh, I'm hooked up on
Here,
the back
here,
end.
go get it.
Yeah. Oh, good Lord. All right, we're doubled up, y'all. This is dang good fish here. Oh, he just popped off. Oh, wait, no he didn't. No, he didn't.
Oh, good. Oh, let me get the side of that. Good. Okay.
I don't know.
He coming at you?
I think he's off.
Shit.
Yeah, I don't know what happened there.
Oh.
That thing had it buried, dude.
You want to stick it back out there?
Golly.
Yeah, he did. Taking, dragging. Damn it. Pull back out. You want to stay? We stay. It's up to you. I don't. Man.
Did you get yours in?
Yeah, I can.
That was a hot mess.
Yeah, it was.
How in the world did that fish not stay on?
I don't know. You fought him for a little bit. You felt him.
Yeah, oh yeah. That's a good fish. That was the most power I've ever felt.
Oh, I'm sure.
Heart's pounding a million miles a minute.
Right. You gonna bait him back up?
I'm gonna mess with yours.
Huh?
We'll get a look at yours real quick. That's a good sized fish.
Maybe 18.
I bet he goes 20.
Hey, call him what you want. Damn, buddy.
Yeah,
Had it.
he had it. He felt like he may have been in some brush.
Could have been. And they will charge you.
I think that's what happened the first time, because he was loaded up and I was fighting him, and then all of a sudden the rod tip just popped up like this, and
He swam at you. Wow.
I made about 5 or 6 cranks and then connected with him again, and then the second time I connected with him it didn't feel the same, so I think he may have got into some brush.
Hook poked you. Yeah, he's gonna go. Yeah, he is. There he goes. See you, big guy. Thank you, Flathead gods. Thanks, Jake.
Yeah, buddy. Man, oh man, y'all, the power of that fish, that was incredible. Definitely the strongest pulling fish I've ever felt on the other end of one of my rods. But I don't know, did I make a mistake? Did I horse it? Was it whisker hooked? I don't know. But
we'll be back.
Like Brian says, we'll be back on them. We are gonna get back on them. Appreciate you guys tuning in tonight. If you enjoyed today's episode, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. I think we're gonna wrap it up. Brian, I appreciate you bringing me along this evening.
Pleasure's mine, buddy. We'll be back, like I said, real soon.
There we go. There we go. We'll be back out and on them. You guys, again, give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. And remember, guys, you can't catch them sitting on the couch. I'll see y'all on the next one.